Hey guys, Roman here. Welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to hide a header on your page in Squarespace. So without further delay, let's get started. I'm just going to go to my dashboard right here and just click on the website that I'm working on. It's a fitness kind of gym website. It's just a template. I haven't changed much, but just for the sake of showing you how to hide a header, I'm just going to quickly, without further comments, navigate towards the editing section right here. Basically, we want to hide this header right here, but as you can see, if I click on it, there's no option of hiding the header. So what we need to do is to use a trick, and let's just go done and go to the pages menu right here, and we need to navigate towards the page where we want the header to be hidden. So this is the home page basically, as you can see here, and home page in the menu is right here. So we need to click on this icon next to it and go to advanced, and exactly here we need to paste this code. This is a premium feature, so it might not work, but I'm just going to click delete it so I can show you very quickly what happened. So this is the header right here, and what I'm gonna do is to click here and just insert the code again. So I'm just gonna go towards here and just copy paste it and go back to the advanced and just finish the pasting. And as you can see, it's going to be removed from the site, so no header anymore. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.